Hi, my name is Miss Colleen and I am the visual arts teacher at the Academy of Whole Learning. Now today for our virtual art club, we are going to be learning how to draw different plants and then picking a word that will be our theme for the week. This is the artwork I just got done today. I used some Crayola markers and drew some really pretty flowers as well as some other little vegetation in there. And then I chose the word breathe. I think breathe is a really awesome word because it can be an inspiration for us when we're feeling stress. That's something we can focus on in our body, and it's a great coping skill to use. For this project, I will explain how to make these different flowers, but as a reminder, you don't have to always do exactly what I do. You can use this inspiration. Say you want to draw shapes or colors. Maybe instead you would like to draw a bunch of dogs as your background and put your inspirational word on top. That is up to you. I can't wait to see what you create and keep watching to see how I did this piece of artwork. All right, since we have our flowers done, now it's time to think about the word that we want to put over top. I thought about this one, and I think what I'm going to choose this week, and remember that you can pick whatever you want, but the word that I think I'm going to choose this week is breathe. The reason I'm choosing the word breathe is I think it's a really important skill that we can all use when we're feeling stressed out. It's really good to remember to focus on our bodies when we're having a hard time trying, with all the different changes that are going around in our world. I know we are not at school right now, and that can be very stressful. Actually, I even have learned a really cool breathing activity if you guys do want to participate, and I'll show that later in the video. But it's called Smell the Flower, Blow Out the Candle. And it's just an activity that practices the method of breathing in through your nose and then breathing out through your mouth. I find it really helpful because it keeps it kind of this fun pattern. And afterwards, I like to think of maybe what kind of flower was I holding? What did the candle smell like? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write the word breathe in black marker on top of the drawing, and then it will be done. Now you can pick whatever word you want. If there's a different word that you would like to focus on this week, maybe you want to think of like the word positive, or maybe the word strength. Maybe you want to think of the word expected. Maybe you want to think of the word calm. There's a lot of different cool words out there. Maybe you can look a word up in the dictionary that you've never heard of and use it as your word. So I'm just going to write in big letters on top. Now it might be kind of hard because I do have a lot of drawings on here, but I'm going to kind of go over it a couple of times so it's really bold and stands out. All right, and there it is. Now remember, if you are going to be creating along, make sure that you send me your pictures. I'd love to see what you made, and maybe we can share it on the Academy of Whole Learning Facebook page. My name is Miss Colleen, and that was today's virtual art club. Hope to see you next week.